Let's see, got a call?
Got a call. So I've been working with this individual, this entrepreneur, for a while, and amazing human being. One of those folks that you simply want to win. And she has this really cool company, really unique and thoughtful, great idea, and got into a bad partnership. They thought it was going to be a good partnership. You know, everything starts out wonderful, you know, like, here, let's go. And nothing was written down. Like nothing. It was kind of like, well, this is what I thought. Well, this is what I thought. And it didn't work out, and it went really sour really fast. And so I was walking the journey with her, you know, as the business was dissolving. And it's still ongoing, right? But it's now in the small claims court. And that's part of the 92% that we talk about a lot with Josie, is that 92% of matters that simply are not getting any attention from the legal system. You are not having those folks have access to the legal systems. It's a really interesting use case. So what we did is we said, listen, let's go on Grok, right? We've been talking about attorney chat a bunch. That's OpenAI. XAI is Grok. And we went through and asked Grok to help with the response that she received when she filed a small claims action because the partner took money out of the cash register and did other things. And on the way out, there was outstanding bills. And, you know, she, who had the right to collect that from her partner, filed a small claims lawsuit. Small claims, you know, you're not going to hire an attorney because obviously it's going to cost more to pay the attorney than you're actually even collecting. So it's the people's court, if you will, right? If you remember Judge Wapner. And they responded with some like just angry, spiteful, weird counterclaims and defenses. And she went into Grok, and it created, I would say, the equivalent to at least what a law student would be able to prepare for pleadings and responses and objections and counterclaims and this and that. And it was really, really interesting watching that journey. And she's submitting that, and stay tuned, because she's empowered, and it's through the technology that is empowering her. And that's where we're really starting to focus the Josie experiment, is what if they had the opportunity to have a tool and a success Sherpa to help guide them into that initial agreement. The exit of that business would have been much smoother because there was an alignment, there was an understanding in the beginning. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be, for free until the end of the year, opening up an experiment for people who are looking for plans like that, right? joze.ai, check it out.